Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to my series of nakshatras. So, in this continuation of my series of nakshatras, today I'm going to talk about Kritika Nakshatra, also called as the fire flame. The lord of Kritika Nakshatra is sun god, and the symbol is a knife or a spear or a dagger, anything which is pointed. When we look at the constellation, the the symbol of this nakshatra looks like that of a knife, something which is pointed. The deity is the Agni or the fire god of this nakshatra. And in the Indian zodiac, the length of this nakshatra is 26.4 degrees in Mesh degree, in Mesh Rashi, to 10 degrees in Taurus. So Kritika is ruled by Agni, and Agni has a lot of importance in our life. Uh, Agni is one of the Panchatatvas. It is used in prayers, it is used in Havan, it is used for cooking. So it has a very high element of prudence in our life. Since this nakshatra is falling both into Mesh Rashi and also into Vrish Rashi, hence the ascendant of this nakshatra is influenced both by Mangal and by Venus. Why Mangal? Mangal is the lord of Aries, and that is Mesh, and Venus is the lord of Vrish, that is Taurus. Uh, Kritika is considered the nakshatra where power is born. This is the birth star of moon, and the passivity of this nakshatra represents their ability to nurture power. Mythology, Hindu mythology describes Kritika as the foster mother of Lord Kartikeya, who is supposed to be the son of Lord Shiva, Mahadev, and he is beautiful in appearance and an able commander in battle. Kritika is also known as the star of fire and is related to commander, fighter, soldier, foster mother, luster, glow of power, physical and creative force. Kritika Nakshatra brings up, burns up negativity, and it purifies what is mixed and cooks or prepares that is yet not ripe. The nakshatra rules war, battles, soldiers, disputes. Planets in Kritika activate its passive energy, and Kritika denotes capability to give a desired change in the form by burning out all the impurities and the unwanted material of life or the wrongs and give birth to purity, mortality, and virtues. People born under this nakshatra are extremely straightforward. They are very simple people and very straightforward, and they observe the weakness or any shortcomings in people around them. They are very good observers, and they are very open about or they are high critics of people's weaknesses, and they have a very sound logic and just if they are criticizing people around them. They do not take a second assignment unless their first assignment is 100% completed. They are highly dedicated to any project or assignment which is awarded to them, and this makes them extremely special. They are not the ones that why they are not the ones who will do multitasking while doing a single assignment. They are very clever in trade, in financial matters, in politics. They are often honored by the government. They have a mole on the right part of the chest. They like to take short naps. They would like to acquire wealth or any other asset or property in a very noble way, in a very just way, and not by any force or by any evil thought. They're educated people, they have a good character, and they have a very soft corner for others. They have a strong body, and one normal feature or characteristic of this nakshatra people are that they are extremely foodie. They are in love with food. they like all kinds of food, and they would like to venture out for all kinds of food. So, and they may eat even more than 3 times a day. So they are quite indisciplined as far as the food is concerned, and they're very vocal about it. Uh, some more characteristics of this nakshatra people are that these people born under this nakshatra are basically the policy makers, and they are good chefs, they are interior decorators, they are film actors, TV artists, creative directors, uh, because there's a very high sense of creativity in this nakshatra people. There also is a very high sense of internal energy which keeps them driving. So, many of the film stars or TV stars, you will find they are born under this nakshatra. They would like to lead a disciplined life, and they expect discipline and punctuality from people around them and with people whom they work, especially at their workplace. And they are people of high pride and self-esteem, and they do not accept anything out of anybody as a free gift or a free lunch, especially out of sympathy or empathy. They are not the ones whom you offer them something in their time of need and they are just going to accept it. They have an extremely high esteem and self pride, which does not allow them to stoop even in their bad times in front of others. You will never find them asking for help or anything like that. They are quite capable of handling their own bad time in their own way. One of the reasons is because they are also influenced by Mars, Mangal, and Mangal gives you that energy to come out of any kind of bad time or a bad influence. So they are quite capable of doing that. They are always and often seen of increasing their circle of influence or their area of influence, especially at their workplace or career or at their office place. So they are found to be very kind of involved and influential. Many of these Kritika Nakshatra people, they love to have a technical education and a technical career. So you will find a lot of software engineers born under this nakshatra. Sometimes their speech may be rude, little bit harsh, little bit aggressive, which may become a reason for their dislikeness amongst their friends, families, and relatives. They should be careful about their health, especially on any kind of acidity or UTI issues or a heat stroke in the head. They have to be careful regarding these health issues. They also need to be watchful about their company, and like I said, they are people with very high creative energy, and they rise very high if they choose a profession of creativity, whether it's in the advertisement world or the film world or the theater world, or even script writing or story writing or storytelling. They're extremely creative people, and they have an innate sense of the importance of their destiny. So these were a few of my observations on Kritika Nakshatra, people born under Kritika Nakshatra. And if you have liked this video, then please do uh, press and subscribe, and so that you get the videos of similar nature in future. Thank you very much for watching. And in case you want to discuss your horoscope in person, then I'm available at the numbers which are displayed on your screen. Thank you so much.